My channel. This is the unique and healthy recipe for longevity. You are welcome, guys. Thanks for always coming back to our channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can blast belly fat. So follow me as we go right into the video. So these are the ingredients we want to use for this recipe. Number one is lemon. This is lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint leaf. We have lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint leaf. So we cut the ginger this way. Cut the ginger. Cut cucumber. Cut the lemon. Then my mint leaf, I just pluck it. And add more. Then you add your water. Add your water. There's this space, I want to add more mint leaf. So then cover it. Yes. So you leave it like this overnight and drink, filter it and drink the whole day. You are going to leave it like this overnight and the next day filter it and drink the whole day and make another one for another day. This will flush out all your belly fat. So God bless you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video and share to your friends. Bye bye.